I'm Sophie Dobbs and I'm a regional representative for WJEC. I work closely with schools and colleges across Wales, helping them understand the new Wave 3 qualifications that are coming as part of National 14 to 16 qualifications reform. My role is to meet with leadership teams to review their current provision, discuss what's changing and help them prepare to deliver these exciting new qualifications from September 2027. I'm here to support centres at every stage of the journey, from early conversations and planning, right through to delivery. I can provide guidance around qualification structure, assessment and timelines. Before starting at WJEC, I spent 17 years in secondary education. I taught chemistry and was head of faculty for 8 years, as well as being a member of the school's extended leadership team. Having that experience and a clear understanding of the practical challenges senior leaders face around staffing, timetabling, resources and budgets means I'm well placed to support centres strategically and practically through the Wave 3 transition. The new Wave 3 qualifications include VCSEs and foundation qualifications, both general and work-related, as well as the personal project and skills suite. They're designed to offer a broad and inclusive educational experience with a strong focus on practical skills and vocational learning. What really sets these qualifications apart is their strong focus on progression and readiness for the future. They develop transferable skills through authentic assessment, supporting learners to progress confidently beyond 16 into further education, training or employment, and whilst giving centres clear, consistent and flexible assessment approaches.